Happy, you know, Monarch Band of Martin Luther King School. Ghana, let's work together and keep the nation clean. Yeah! Mommy, any a honey, they feel queer. Obviously, Chippy, Obaka Square. Mommy, any a honey, they feel queer. Obviously, Chippy, Obaka Square. And yet today,
this is the 9-member team of the Monarch Band. 4 singers, 5 instrumentalists. They attend the Martin Luther King Jr. School in Asherman. Some members of the band have been playing since they were in Primary 1, like 11-year-old Donald.
I'm Emmanuel Donald Stevens Fiagbo, and I'm in class 6, and I'm 11 years of age. And my role in the Monarch Band is that I have to do some things to help each other, and also my main instrument is to play the bass guitar. When I was little, I used to worry my grandpa in the room. I take lead and bass, play in the room all the time, make noise. And when I grew up, I came to this school, so I don't have a formal school. And when I came, we were playing, and the first batch that we got to play the instrument. So they told us that they are like, I don't know how I can define this, but when the director bought a set of instruments, we were the first batch to come to play. I learned Do Re Mi Fa So, and the rest was on my own. The Do Re Mi Fa So is like the fundamentals of the bass, the basic steps. That's the Do Re Mi Fa So, and some fingerings. That's the finger practice. You must learn all those before you start like playing music. Like you listen to music and take the bass and try something. And the finger practice is like how your hands will be wide to open up your hands, because I can play something here and stretch here, but if my hands are not wide, it can only reach to this side but not here. So I must do that continuously for my hand to be wide before I start playing every song I listen to. I want to be an instrumentalist. I look up to a guy that made me feel that yes, I'm a bassist. That's called Clement. Actually, when I started playing, I always want, like, I'm putting myself, but he told me that the key is to relax and just play. If you are playing, you can just rock the bass easily. My favorite subject is English, because that's the basic thing. If I travel outside country, I won't speak P or do another language. I'll do English, basically.
What are your hobbies?
When I'm around, I feel bored. I just take the bass and rock the bass easily to do some practice. Sometimes I take some books and read.
How do your parents feel about your talent?
They feel I should keep it up, because if God gives you something, you don't have to waste it. You must use it well. If you say, oh, God has given me this talent, but I don't like it, so you leave it and you do something else, it's not good. So they are encouraging me to do what I'm doing.
How is it like being in a band?
It's awesome, because people, they know how to play, but they don't have the opportunity. Maybe I can know how to play, but I don't have a band, so it's like I'm not popular, nobody knows me, so I'm just at home, maybe playing for church, just playing, but it's good to be in a band.
Here's Monarch Band member number 1. Stay tuned to News Generation to meet the rest of the team.